Okay, so this little example is going to show how to randomly select fruit. So this is one of the different components of the fruit machine program. So remember, if you get a guava, you win $2, mango, pineapple, 50 cents, banana, tomato, you lose your money. So we need to randomly select this, and then we're also going to go through and test it. Do give it a go before just looking down at the solution or continuing on through this part of the video. So if we look back in the code, we need to create a random number generator. So let's put that right at the top where our other variables are going. So in a random, whatever name you choose, RNG is always good. New random, so I've got one random number generator that I can reuse over and over. Like with the set balance, we're going to create our own method. So it's going to be public. So we're going to have a string because we want to return what fruit we've actually selected, and let's call this method select fruit. So it's going to randomly choose one of those 5 fruit to use. At the moment it's highlighted because we haven't returned a string or a value. Let's add some comments so we can explain what this is for. So we're going to randomly select, so we type this correctly, randomly select fruit. Now we need a list of the fruit. As a list, we're going to use an array. It's going to be an array of strings. Let's call that array fruit. And a short way of writing these is we can actually just inside set of brackets. So we can have guava, then mango. This will automatically create an array with these elements included. And semicolon at the end. So to create this, we've got 5 positions. Position 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So remember, the computer start counting at 0. Now we need to randomly choose one. So we're going to get int fruit position. This is going to use the random number generator next from position 0 to fruit dot length. That gets however many positions there are in that array. Now we need to get which, make a new variable to store the selected fruit, and we're just going to have fruit bracket fruit position. So if the random number generator randomly chose 1, it would store the word mango in the variable selected fruit. Now we need to return that answer to the program. And so that will give, whatever we call this part of the program, we'll give that answer back. Now I'm going to go back up to the main method to test it. I know that balance part's working fine, so I'm just going to comment that out because we don't want to run that. But we do want to run the select fruit method. Now if I go and run this just like it is, we're not actually going to see any output because I haven't actually told it to print anything. So we're going to use this main method to sort of go through some dummy testing. You can see it sort of runs, but nothing effectively actually happens. So we need to, because the select fruit is returning a string, we're going to make a new variable called string called chosen fruit, and that will save it into here. So now I can do console.writeline, not selected, chosen fruit. Now if I run this a couple of times, we should get different fruit appearing. So it's showing mango there. If we run it again, we should, in theory, get a different fruit. So that's now the select fruit method working. Now we just need to evidence that in the testing. So what we're going to do, go back to our component testing section. Let's take those first couple of rows. Okay, any other improvements I need based on that? now, rather than the setting balance section, I need to do the select fruit. Delete that now. And then what actually happens, so I put the screenshot in there, and we actually saw it. I was passing and giving different results. And then just continuing on with different